Hindi ya giikaro na kamiti no abunge ni mendire kumenya gitumi kia mendekithia maya hari wendia wa iria kuona marongoreirie kuhatiriria murimi na njira nene makiria makimuima wiyathi wa gwicagurira muguri wa iria riake. Mwena-ini wake mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya urimi Harry Kimtai ni ugite mawatho maya marongoreirie kwagirithia thogora ino indi matiakoretwo marikirira mutaratara-ini wa kumakinyaniria.
It is not going to embarrass anybody. I want to assure you that because now the public is aware. When you do public participation, I so believe they are going to come. We are going to seize this moment and use it. What we are basically doing is to make sure that we start developing the regulations in line with the Constitution 2010 and also with the change of technology.
Ona kuri uguo abunge matongoretio ni mubunge wa Kandara Alice Wahome ni marutite mahitia watho uyu makiuga ndwarumiririe ukinyaniru wa kiwatho.
Gutiri hindi tungitikira ati muingiri ni ukwirwa atiriri iria riao no nginya riothe riingire kuri kambuni ria kambari akamwo rigatwarirwo kambuni ati riu kambuni ni ciricokaga gutwenderia.
Kugina kwa ruhonge rwa thondeki ya indo rwa KAM ni ruriritie thirikari kunyihia garama ya uthondeki wa indo kuna ni cungagiriria indo itiganite kugia na mathogora ma iguru.
We've put out issues about the tax and fiscal policy issues around VAT refunds, the issues around cost of power, the issues around county fees and levies and charges. All those things are affecting the ability of the manufacturing sector to grow.
Kurigana na ruhonge ruru undu uyu noguo giteithiriria kugereka ucindani na indo cia kuma mabũrũri ma nanja iria ithiĩte na mbere na kuongerereka. Handũ-inĩ ha metha ya wonjoria ya Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataro wa Mwangi.